Defense Secretary Gilbert Yudok ordered mandatory evacuations in high-risk areas due to the storm's anticipated impacts. Teodoro, who also serves as the chairman of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, emphasized the importance of proactive measures. This is especially after severe tropical storm Christine left thousands of families severely affected up to now. The Interior Department has already issued memorandums directing all local governments to comply to Teodoro's order. O ngayon pa lang mag-evacuate na. Yun ang mandate nga nito, sinabi ni Secretary Gilbert Teodoro. Kasi mahirap na yung maiwan pa, mas stranded ulit, parang yung nangyari dito sa Christine. And I think yung ibang mga kababayan natin, hindi na kailangan pa sabihin na mag-evacuate na because nandoon pa rin yung karamihan ng iba eh. Sa evacuation centers, hindi pa sila nakakabalik ng kani-kanila mga bahay.
Basta at the end of the day, it's all about proper zoning. Siguro it's high time we should review zoning ordinances per city. Kasi tignan mo naman, this case in point yung sa Quezon City, sa may Marikina, sa may fault line, kung hindi pinuntirya pa ng iba-ibang agency, may mga schools that were built on top of the fault line. Minimal things like that goes a long way in preventing actual body count na tumaas, di ba?
Saka ang importante when you, pag inalis mo yung mga tao dun sa tirahan nila, evacuate mo sila doon or relocation na ang tinatawag dito, no? Yung to make sure din na meron silang pagkakakitaan doon kung saan sila ililipat. Kasi ang nangyayari, sige, lilipat sila saglit, then babalik ulit sila kung saan sila pinaglipatan kasi nandoon yung livelihood nila eh. Diba?
Well, at the end of the day, it's life over money or material things. Alam kong madaling sabihin yon. But then again, hindi ka naman kikita ng pera kung wala ka ng buhay. So it's better na let's just secure muna natin yung lugar nyo where you're going to live. And then afterwards, then we'll talk about anong livelihood assistance pwede bigyan ng gobyerno.